Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacy. I'm Auntie Stacy. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to read for you today is called Catch That Cat. Hurry! Hurry! Help me catch that cat. She stole my sock and ran off. Snatch her! Grab her! Catch that cat. Look! Look! There she goes. She's in the tree. Catch that cat. She jumped. I just missed her. Quick! Fast! Catch that cat. Thank goodness the sock helped her float. We've got to catch that cat. Watch out, everybody. That's one fast cat. Are we ever going to catch that cat? Did you see her jump on that duck? Look at them float. I hope my sock stays dry. Clever cat, we'll catch you yet. But how? Shh, quiet. Let's hide here. Here's our chance to catch that cat. Gotcha! Look, the sock is for her babies. What sweet kittens. Quick! Catch all those cats. We'll bring them home. They can have all my socks. This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends. See you next time.